Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee mug with paper updated. Start by gathering cardstock, waterproof sealant, a heat-resistant liner, scissors, ruler, and strong glue. Measure and cut panels carefully, accounting for seam overlap and base diameter. Protect your work surface and test fit before gluing. Apply sealant both inside and outside after assembly for spill resistance. Allow full drying time to ensure safety and durability. Warm up to the process with gentle, steady cuts and clear markings. Fold along scored lines to create crisp edges and use a small amount of glue on seams to avoid lumps. Shape the base into a tight fit and reinforce with tabs if needed. Add a rolled paper coil or pre-cut handle slot for a secure grip. Keep edges clean and trim excess for a professional look before sealing. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY updates. Quick recommendation: make meal prep and cleanup easier with leak-proof containers that hold sauces, soups, and extras while you craft. They save spills when testing new mug designs and make cleanup breezier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I like to apply sealant gently and evenly, focusing on seams and the base connection. Multiple thin coats create better resistance than one heavy coat, so be patient. After sealing, insert a heat-safe liner to protect the paper from hot liquids and extend mug life. Always test with cold water to check for leaks, then gradually try warm liquids before using hot coffee to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.